To endorse your RN license to Nevada, start by submitting an application through the Nevada Nurse Portal. The fee is $100 and you can pay with a credit or debit card. Next, provide proof that you graduated from an approved nursing program. If you studied in the United States, submit either a copy of your diploma or an official transcript showing your degree and graduation date. You can upload it with your application, send it by mail, or have electronic transcripts emailed directly to nursingboard@nsbn.state.nv.us. If you graduated from an international nursing program, submit your transcript and graduation date and include a related learning experience report if required. The board may also ask for a credential evaluation, such as a CGFNS or CES report. If you've been licensed in the U.S. for less than 5 years, you'll also need to pass an English exam like TOEFL, IELTS, or PTE. After that, arrange official license verification from your original state of licensure by examination. If your state participates in nurses, request a license verification for endorsement directly through their website. If your state is not part of nurses, you'll need to send Nevada's endorsement form to that state with their fee and follow their instructions. Once you've completed these steps, the Nevada Board of Nursing will process your application for endorsement.